If you're planning to buy a full-size SUV this year, stop right now, because Toyota has finally revealed something huge. And this might just be the most advanced Fortuner ever built. Welcome back to Axion Auto, the place where we break down cars with real facts, real ownership insights, and zero marketing hype. If you love SUVs, smart buying tips, and honest reviews, you're absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the officially unveiled next generation 2026 to 27 Toyota Fortuner Legendary. And this is not just a facelift. This is a complete transformation. New platform, new tech, new design, more power, and features that feel straight out of a luxury SUV. First impressions, this thing looks massive and premium. Toyota has completely redesigned the exterior with sharper LED matrix headlamps, a bold piano black grille, sleeker DRLs, bigger 20-inch alloy wheels, and a much wider stance. It looks less like a rugged truck and more like a premium urban SUV. From the side, you'll notice stronger shoulder lines and better aerodynamics, while the rear gets connected LED tail lamps, a sporty bumper, and that signature Legendary blacked-out styling. It finally looks as expensive as it actually is, but the real story begins inside. Step into the cabin, and you'll immediately feel the upgrade. This is easily the most modern Fortuner interior ever. You get a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a huge 14-inch floating touchscreen infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, 360-degree camera, heads-up display, ventilated seats, powered front seats with memory, wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, premium JBL sound system, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and soft-touch leather almost everywhere. Toyota has clearly targeted luxury SUV buyers here. Space is still excellent. 3 rows, massive legroom, comfortable captain seats option, and huge boot space with foldable seats. Perfect for family trips. Now, let's talk powertrain, because this is where things get interesting. The new Fortuner Legendary is expected to come with an upgraded 2.8L diesel engine producing around 220 horsepower and close to 500 Newton-meters of torque. That's a serious bump over the current model. Plus, Toyota is introducing a mild hybrid diesel system for better fuel efficiency and smoother driving. There's also talk of a petrol hybrid variant in some markets. Transmission options include a refined 6-speed automatic and possibly a new 8-speed automatic. And of course, you still get 4x4 with multiple terrain modes, hill descent control, electronic locking differential, and improved suspension for better comfort. So yes, it's still a proper off-roader, just more refined. Safety is another big upgrade. You now get Toyota's safety sense with ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, multiple airbags, and stronger body structure. Basically, it's finally catching up with global standards. Now, let's talk pricing, because that's what everyone cares about. Expected price for the new Fortuner Legendary will likely start around 45 to 48 lakh and go up to 55 lakh plus, depending on variant. Yes, that's expensive, but when you compare it with rivals like Ford Everest, MG Gloster, Jeep Meridian, or even entry-level luxury SUVs like the Skoda Kodiaq or Hyundai Tucson top variants, the Fortuner still holds strong resale value and reliability advantage. And that's something many buyers underestimate. Ownership cost is where Toyota shines. Service costs are lower than most rivals. Parts availability is excellent. Fuel efficiency is expected around 13 to 15 kilometers per liter for diesel, and resale value, after 5 years, could still be around 60 to 65%. That's crazy good for an SUV in this segment. So even if the upfront price is high, long-term ownership becomes surprisingly affordable. Now, let's quickly break down pros and cons. Pros: extremely reliable engine, strong resale value, premium new interior, latest tech and ADAS, powerful performance, excellent road presence, comfortable ride, and proven off-road capability. Cons: high initial price. Third row still better for kids than adults. Big size makes city parking tricky, and diesel engine noise is still noticeable compared to petro SUVs. So, should you buy it? Here's my honest recommendation. If you want a tough, reliable, no-nonsense SUV that lasts 10 years without drama. This is easily one of the safest bets. If you want luxury, tech, and strong brand value together, again, great choice. But if you mostly drive in the city and want something easy, compact, and cheaper, maybe look at crossovers instead. For families, highway travelers, or SUV lovers who want commanding presence and bulletproof reliability, the new Fortuner Legender absolutely makes sense. Toyota didn't just update it, they future-proofed it. And this might be the best Fortuner Toyota has ever made. So what do you think? Worth the price or overpriced hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Axion Auto, and turn on notifications so you never miss honest car reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one.